Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Babbel app. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about Babbel app and you click. Here we go to first stop and you click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. If it's not working with you, then you will update your app on Play Store. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your